Hi, my name is Jackie Kruger, and I represent the Eric Morris acting technique. Let's talk about subpersonalities. That's one of the 3 workshops I'm taking to Miami in July 2023. Inside of us lives different voices, different energies, and the sum of all those energies form our personality. We have the magical child, the rebellious child. We have the critic. We have the Aphrodite. We have the free spirit. Let's take a look at some of the ones we have. All these voices form part of your personality. You don't get to know them individually in your life because they're all there mixed up, functioning at the same time. But through a technique called voice dialogue, created by 2 very famous psychologists, we're going to take them out and interview them as individual people. Get to know who they are, what they want, if they're there, if they feel abandoned. It's fun and revealing. This is an incredible tool. For actors, it helps you create incredible characters. And for everyone else, emotional intelligence, today's currency. You get to understand yourself. You get to discover things about yourself you didn't even know. This is incredibly revealing and very fun. Try us out.